This is really a good website that you definitely need to check out. It's showing visuals and actual images of Mars and surface. You're going directly on Mars. You get to learn by clicking on points of interest and you move from point to point. So you can feel like you're jumping on Mars on your own personal rover. You can also travel on different missions, sites, and clicks on things. Learn more about Mars. This is a fun, loving website and you can explore more and more every day. And whenever you click on the land or any of the portion, you get the information about that particular
Another favorite technology tool which I have learned in this pandemic is No Hands app, which is a very helpful tool for me while teaching, because when we are asking questions to students and we are randomly taking their name or making anyone volunteer, this app is very helpful in that activity. We can just select the name and this app is selecting the name to that whom to recall and ask the question. So this is a very good app and very informative app.
It's just a tray window that will generate random names of students, like to suggest one way how you can use this tool with your students. So this is a Google slide that I created for any class. It has a little story and some of the questions what I will do, I will go back to the Zoom, click on the screen, share my screen, and this is one of the important things we need to do when we use No Hand app. We need to share the entire screen, click present, and here you go. This is what the students see now. They can see my screen, they can see my story, and the No Hands app generate them. I will post the question for the students like I did here, and at any point during the class their name will be visible and they would need to answer in second. It's very simple and very engaging for a student.
Let's have the one from CMS, Indira Nagar now, City Montessori School, Indira Nagar.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see this today through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this last event of the first SAM International, the SAM Quiz.
have come to this particular day today after having cleared the preliminary rounds which happened a few days back. So I welcome you and I congratulate you. Homi Vyarawala is acclaimed as India's first. Your options are lady painter, lady photojournalist, lady Kathak dancer, or lady playback singer. And your time starts now. Your time is up. Team B, the right answer is lady photojournalist. She is also known as with a pseudonym of Dalda 13. Team C, what is the traditional work of the Agaria tribe? Your options are A, ironcraft, B, woodcraft, C, tattoo craft, and D, bamboo craft. Your time starts now.
Bamboo craft.
All right, you came out with an answer saying bamboo craft. I'm sorry, the answer is wrong. It is iron craft. You must have seen in the different festivals those little iron toys which are being sold. Those are from Agaria, which is a primarily iron smelting zone. All right, Team D, the question for you. Chicken curry, the famous craft of Lucknow, is documented to have been invented by, and your options are Jahan Ara, Mumtaz Mahal, Shah Begum, and Noor Jahan. Time.
Jahan Ara.
Jahan Ara is not the right answer. The right answer is Noor Jahan, the wife of Jahangir. Team E, your question. Which form of performing art is Tijan Bai associated? Your options: Burra Katha, Pandavani, Lavani, Nautanki. Time.
Lavani.
Lavani is not the right answer, I'm sorry. The right answer is Pandavani. Best of luck in the next round, which is the sports round. Team A hasn't joined, unfortunately, so we start with Team B. Team B, can you just raise your finger or your hand? All right, okay. Team B, the question for you. In which tennis Grand Slam is the Musketeers Trophy awarded to the winner? Your options: A, French Open, B, US Open, C, Australian Open, and D, Wimbledon.
Ma'am, A, French Open.
French Open is the right answer. Congratulations for having opened your treasury pit. Team C. All right, the question for you. Ryder Cup is related to which sport? And your options are polo, golf, tennis, lawn tennis.
Polo. Polo.
Polo is not the right answer, I'm sorry. It is golf. Team D, the question for you. Velodrome is an arena for which among the following sporting events? Ice hockey, track cycling, F1 racing, and table tennis.
Ma'am, B, track cycling.
Track cycling is the right answer. You seem to have known this answer pretty well. Team E, the question for you. Who among the following was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal? Your options: K.D. Jadhav, P.T. Usha, Leander Paes, and Dhyan Chand. Timer.
Dhyan Chand.
Okay. Nope, I'm sorry. The right answer was K.D. Jadhav. All right, now we come to the third round, which is a music and dance. Team B, your question: which among the following is a form of martial dance? Your options: Kathakali, bamboo dance in Meghalaya, Chau of Mayurbhanj, and Bhangra of Punjab. Timer.
Ma'am, I think it's C. Ma'am, it's C. Ma'am, C.
C, that is Chau of Mayurbhanj.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are right. Correct. Team C. All right. The question for you. Gulabo Sapera is associated with which form of folk dance? Your options are Jhumar, Garba, Kalbelia, Lavani.
Jhumar.
Jhumar, which is not the right answer. The right answer was Kalbelia, which is celebrated folk dance of Rajasthan. Can I know the scores, please?
After the end of round 3, Team B has 20 points, Team D has 10 points, Team E has 10 points.
Thanks to all the participants from all these schools who made this event such a great success. And thanks to all the judges. I think my co-compares and my teachers would be thanking them as they take you through the prize distribution ceremony. I will just like to make an announcement that we as a team at SAM decided that since this is a platform for collaboration, for coming together, we are not going to highlight one team above the others and declare any championship team.
So here are much awaited results for the event. Creativity at its best was for Little Angels High School, Gwalior, with code SAM030. The second position goes to City Montessori School, LDA campus, with code SAM016. The third position goes to Delhi Public School, Rudrapur, with code SAM017. The special mention award goes to City Montessori School, Chalk campus, with code SAM020. Congratulations to all once again. Thank you.
The journey through the Udan event has been exciting all through, from receiving the entries of the participant and seeing the young talent flying high has been an amazing experience. Kite flying is all about fighting the odds and reaching great heights. It also symbolizes freedom and positivity. So, without much delay, we are here to announce the result of the Udan event. Flying high is in full vigor were Purushottam Bhagchandika Academy with code SAM004. The third position goes to Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya SAM036. Congratulations SAM036. Judges Choice Award goes to City Montessori School LDA campus with code SAM016. Congratulations SAM016. Special mention award goes to DPS Rudrapur code SAM017 and Bal Bharati Public School code SAM010. Congratulations SAM017 and SAM010.
The special mention goes to SAM03 CMS Indiranagar, Lucknow. Judges Award goes to SAM017 DPS Rudrapur. The third place goes to SAM020 CMS Inter-College Chalk Campus. And the second place goes to SAM036 Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. The first place goes to SAM030 Little Angel High School, Gwalior.
Welcome to this event SAM Focobix, a route to fitness. We present before you the participating teams from all over the globe. This event was held for the grades 5 and 6. It was a team event with 6 participants. We are very grateful to the judges for the event. Let us now see the winners of the event. All the participants really amazed us with their mesmerizing performances. SAM 010 was chosen as the most enterprising entry by the judges. Our second runner-up for the event is SAM 004, Purushottam Bhagchandka Academy School, Kolkata. Congratulations! First runner-up goes to SAM 016, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road. We have two schools at third place. SAM 011, City Montessori School, RDSO Campus, and SAM 020, City Montessori School, Chowk Campus. At second place, we have SAM 019, Delhi Public School, Jalandhar. And the winner of the event is SAM 017, Delhi Public School, Rudrapur.
Finally, we come to the hour we all have been breathlessly waiting for, announcement of the winning teams of Magic Marinade. Many awards have been given in various categories by respected judges. The first category we present before you, the award for the creative story writing, which goes to SAM 030, Little Angels High School, Gwalior, same from Turkey. Another very interesting category, Best Innovation through Technology, goes to our international entry from AHS School, Florida, for Master Ronav Mohan, who kept the judges enthralled with his innovative puppets and storyline. Now we have the award for the Judges' Choice, which goes to Delhi Public School, SAM 017, Rudrapur. We take pride in announcing our three winners of the Magic Marinade, beginning with the third prize for the event, which goes to JC Public School, Rudrapur. Second prize has been awarded to Bal Bharti Public School, New Delhi. And the winner of the Magic Marinade International SAM event goes to SAM 019, Delhi Public School, Jalandhar. Congratulations to one and all.
Moving on to paper modeling event. Fashionable apparels show one's creativity and aesthetic sense. The art and fashion trends have since ages explored the desire for clothing in different ways. So today, I take this pleasure to welcome our dear judges, Mrs. Amisha Seth and Mr. Sadiq Raza, who had a real tough time in deciding the winners. So, we have, moving on to the winners now, we have SAM 012 that has been selected for Special Innovation in Dress. Congratulations, CMS Gomti Nagar 1. Next, for second runner-up, we have SAM 004, Purushottam Bhagchandka Academic School. Congratulations. On first runner-up position, we have SAM 016, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. Congratulations, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. On third position, we have SAM 007, CMS Rajendra Nagar Campus 2. Many congratulations. On second position, we have SAM 020, City Montessori School, Chowk. Congratulations, Chowk Campus. And on first position, we have a tie. We have SAM 031, Little Angels, Gwalior. Many congratulations. And the next one is SAM 019, DPS Jalandhar. Congratulations to all the winners.
Good evening and Jai Jagat. Nothing about SAM is ordinary. Composing and creating music is no easy feat. Imagine the 5-year-old trying their hands at percussion with the belief that everything has a beautiful sound. You can see the kids brimming with self-confidence, exuding a musical maturity way beyond their age. Finally, the wait is over and the time has come for which we all have been waiting for. Any guesses? Yes, you are right. It is the result time. It gives me an immense pleasure to announce the first surprise that we have as CMS Aliganj 1 has bagged the title of Special Mention by the judges. CMS 034 Rajendra Nagar Campus 1 has bagged the Judges' Choice Award. Third position goes to SAM 031 and the school is Little Angels School, Gwalior. Second position goes to SAM 004, the school is Purushottam Bhagachandra Academic School, Kolkata. And the first position goes to, any guesses? Yes, the first position goes to SAM 010, Bal Bharati Public School, Delhi. Congratulations to all winners. And we have a second surprise for you that we are awarding 3 more prizes in different categories. We have SAM 025, CMS Aliganj 2 has bagged the title of the most confident team. SAM 012, Gomti Nagar has got for the beautiful background. SAM 04, Purushottam Bhagachandra School, Kolkata has bagged the title of performing the percussion in a very rhythmic way.
We were overwhelmed to receive entries across the world for the event SAM Theatre. In this event, the children from classes 1 and 2 performed as SAM icons of their selected country. Children had performed marvelously. Superb videos were sent. We were delighted to get the entries. It was a Herculean task for us to select the best entries. We are also thankful to our judges, Mr. Vaibhav Pandey and Mr. Saeed Shamsir Rahman Naved. Winners of the online event SAM Theatre are as follows. Special mention has been given to SAM 023 City Montessori School, Indiranagar Campus, SAM 004 Purushottam Bhagachandra Academic School, SAM 017 Delhi Public School, Rudrapur, SAM 027 JC